Good afternoon दोस्तों. So right now time is 1 o'clock in the afternoon और आज फ्राइडे का राइड में निकला हूँ अगेन फ्रॉम सिलीगुड़ी टू मानेभंजंग. यार 1 बजे है, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है, मतलब पिघला देने वाली गर्मी है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. बट nevertheless let's start and keep moving. And right now on the milestone it's showing currently Darjeeling is 70 kilometers. So let's hit the road. Alrighty, so a very small stop. The first one here in Mirage. Right now the weather is really good. It's not that cloudy, it's not that sunny. Yeah, I don't know if you could see in the background, but this is a really nice place to hang out, I guess. I mean, if you want to sit around and if for a couple of hours, this place is an absolutely right choice. I think अगर आप चाय वाय लेके आते हो, कुछ हल्का सा स्नैक्स, यहाँ पे आप आराम से बैठो एकांत में and just enjoy the scenery. And this is exactly what I'm doing right now. Right now I'm in the Okayti Tea Garden. This is an outlet. They have their own outlet out here. Because these teas are really finest. One of the finest, best of the best. And just don't go with the prices, but just giving you an idea like around what kind of workmanship and the quality goes behind making these teas. Because and that's the reason they have a very certain type of aroma and certain type of taste for which people do pay that kind of price. And it varies, not just because it's expensive, but it does have, it has a wide spectrum of price, starting from 400 something, and it goes, I don't know, a lakh or more than that.
Starting from green tea. So in green tea, so this tea is, we call it like Buddha green tea. So it's a very soothing hand rolled green tea. So the pricing for this leaves is like per 75 gram costs 1,000 rupees. So this leaves is being made from the Chinese hybrid bushes. आपका लीव असम हाइब्रिड बोलते हैं हम लोग. तो ये असम हाइब्रिड का लीव आपको सिर्फ 1500 पर केजी पड़ेगा. मतलब इसका खासियत या ये लीव का जो टेस्ट है जो आपको मार्केट में मिलता है उससे थोड़ा प्रीमियम लीव में आता है. मतलब इसमें आपको उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग, उतना बिटरनेस नहीं आएगा आपको, और जो आर्टिफिशियल कलर से वैसा नहीं रहता है. मतलब हमारा टी गार्डन फुल्ली सर्टिफाइड टी गार्डन है. आपका IMO, रेन फॉरेस्ट, आपका ऐसा सर्टिफिकेशन के साथ ये लीव है.
So basically पूरा जो यहाँ पे टी है, it's primarily focused on organic tea, right? So this tea around here, Buddha green tea, so per kilo it's gonna cost 35,000 a kilo. This one, which is silver needle, so this one will cost 45,000 per kilo. This small box will cost how much? 2,100. And there is another one which is one of the expensive one. I did not realize it is one of the expensive. This one, which is Moonlight, the one in the silver box, it's gonna cost you 1 lakh a kilo. So that's one of the expensive one that I have found. This outlet does have a very wide range of tea according to your budget, according to your taste, and you know how you like your tea. You know that. चलो थोड़ा चाउमीन और फैंटा, सो जो मिलता है वही खा लेना चाहिए, कोई ज़्यादा नखरा वखरा नहीं है, जो मिल रहा है वही खा रहे हैं। खाने के बाद यहाँ से निकलेंगे फिर। अच्छा ही लग रहा है वैसे, भूख ज़्यादा लगी, बहुत ज़्यादा।